Hey everybody, welcome to our weekend check-in video for Psych 5 Social Psychology for Saturday, February 5th. Just going to go over a few items as I always do, reminders, clarifications, etc. Anything I think you need to know to help you stay on top of the course. First of all, there is that your most recent quiz for Chapter 3. I posted that earlier in your week there. And don't forget that your quiz for Chapter 4 will be this coming Monday there, so make sure you prepare for that. Don't forget there's a homework item you'll find there in Unit 2, because we're in Unit 2 now, and that will help you prepare for the quiz, as always, that you'll take together with other students in your group that you were assigned to there. Also, your most recent discussion for Chapter 3, all about the self. A lot of you posted some pretty good information there, so at least those of you that have done it so far by the time I record this on the Friday before. But as you're watching this, it's Saturday now, so it was due on Friday at 9 o'clock there, so hopefully you got that in there. But I did enjoy the ones I've looked at so far. It's always interesting to read about all your secrets and what you think about yourself. I think it's pretty cool. So your next discussion on Chapter 4, that will be due next Friday on, pardon me, February. I'm getting carried away there, February 11th. So as far as what we're going to cover as far as class content or course content on Monday, I did post an announcement earlier this week. I think it was yesterday on Thursday there. So make sure that you take a look at that announcement there to see some detail that I posted there in that announcement for Chapter 3 and Chapter 4, just so you can be on top of some things and be ready to talk about and discuss some things in your group there. I got some cool exercises for you to do together in your groups too this time, as part of that flipped classroom thing that we're doing. So I hope you like those. I think they're pretty cool, and they'll really help you learn some of the content. That's why I picked the ones that I do. And our plan next Monday is to pretty much finish up Chapter 4. At least that's what we're planning to do there. Also, here before I forget, your exam one scores, I did post those earlier in the week on Canvas, so you should have gotten the notification from Canvas that a score was posted there to the gradebook, so do take a look there. And also, I want you to keep in mind that, remember, your final grade in the course is not just based on the exam. So if you didn't do so hot this time, which some of you didn't do so good, it's not a time to think about dropping the class. It's not a time to panic. You have plenty of points you can afford to lose and at least still pass the course, and if not, still do pretty good. So I'll remind you to take a look at the grading scale you'll find on your syllabus there and see all the points that are available. And also don't forget that our Extending the Class tutor, our ETC tutor, Ellis Batty, is offering those tutoring sessions, so she'll be glad to help you out with anything. So definitely take advantage of those sessions if you're having some trouble there, if you will. And that's pretty much everything I wanted to say this time. If you need anything in the meantime, just reach out through the email on Canvas, and I'll be glad to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope you're staying safe, and I hope to see all of you on Monday when we pick up with Chapter 3 and work through most, if not all, of Chapter 4. So I will see you then, and take care until then.